What do you want? What do you want? What? What do you want? What do you want? You want me to turn on the microwave? Turn it on? Turn it on? Okay. Okay, I turn it on. Okay, I turn it on. People, he would like you to turn the microwave on. When you turn it on and he's running, he will go away. He will stay away from it. He will not be close. I don't know, it's like a safety measure or he's afraid of you or whatever. He will stay away from me. He will stay away from me. And when he start working, he wants you to come back and turn it back on again. You watch. When he stop, you see he'll come. You see? He come back. He come back. He come back and grab me. He come back and grab me. He want me to turn it on again. Now you see. You see. He'll go back. He'll go back. This is what my son will be doing, man. Once you turn it on, do you know they say not to stay close to the microwave when he's working for safety reason, not too close, you know. It can hurt the eyes. I don't know. He's coming back because he grabbed my head. Our electrical bill. Once he's walking. Oh my goodness. All right. Yeah. Let me cut it off.